Hi, today I'll be showing you how I did this colorful eye makeup, and if you want to know how I did it, then let's get dolled up. As my base, I will be using NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and I will be applying it all over my eyelid. I will be using my Morphe palette, and I will be choosing this dark purple color for my crease, and I will just pack it on. And now I will be using Juvias Place Zulu palette, and I will be taking this pinkish reddish color, and I will be using it to buff out the previous color, and I will be going a bit higher than my crease. And I will be doing soft circular motions so I don't have any hard lines. Now I'm going in with the same palette and taking this orange color, and I will be applying it to the edge of the pink color and buffing it out with the same circular motions as we did before. And now I reapply the purple so I can intensify the crease. And buff it out again so it's seamlessly blended. And going in back with the purple and blending it out again. And I'm taking the same purple color and applying it to the outer corner. I'm going to reapply Jumbo Eye Pencil and Milk to the half part of my eyelid. I'm gonna mix the coral and the orange color and apply it to the half part of my lid. And I'm leaving a bit of space where my crease is. And now I'm just gonna cut my crease using Jumbo Eye Pencil and Milk. And to define the cut crease, I'm gonna use the matte blue from the Zulu palette. Matte Mixing Medium and H&M Glitter Dust. Here I'm using the Mixing Medium as glue for the glitter, and I'm working in sections. Now I'm using MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC45. And I'm blending it out with a beauty blender, and I'm using the concealer as a base for the other colors. And for my lower lash line, I'm using orange from the Zulu palette and really smoking it out. And the dark purple from Morphe, I'm gonna apply tight to the lash line and just smoke it out a little bit. Now I'm taking MAC Pigment Rose and applying it to the inner corner. Now I'm taking Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk and applying it to the waterline as a base for the matte blue eyeshadow from the Zulu palette. My camera has stopped recording and I have already applied my eyeliner. Now I'm taking the matte blue eyeshadow and applying it right underneath my eyeliner and connecting it to the waterline. Now you can apply mascara or false eyelashes, but I'm not gonna do that because my eyes don't seem to like it, so I'm gonna give my eyes a break.